G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time at the channel, welcome to Harley-Diaries. My name's Mick. I hope you like all the content. Cool. Make sure to check out all my other videos. I'm sure you like them too. But anyway, on to it. I'm in a bit of a crossroads at the moment with my 2011 Dyna. Now, I've done a... he's fucking flying, look at that. Jesus. Wow. Anyway, we're in Prospect Reservoir at the moment. It's like 20k zone. 10k zone, excuse me. But yeah, he was into it. I don't know why, but anyway. Sorry, I got off track. Anyway, I'm in a bit of a crossroads at the moment. I've got a 2011 Dyna. It's my first Harley. Absolutely in love with it. I've fixed it all up. Since I got it, hang on, I'll talk about it in a minute. I'll just show you a quick reel of it. So when I first got this bike, I picked it up. It had all the gear. I got my mate Jace to paint it because it was down in black and it was scratched and looked bloody terrible. But I had like it already had performance machine wheels on it. It had progressive shocks on it. Had a stage 4 in it. It's got a 58mm throttle body, some Screaming Eagle 259E cams in it. Yeah, the performance machine wheels. It had the chrome on here and all that. It had all the chrome caps. Pretty much. So all I've really done to it is I've sort of cleaned it up. I've got my mate Jace to paint it, polished the chrome like stupid amounts of hours on it, you know, type thing. So they're all Willie G pegs, Willie G grips, R&S mirrors. I put like, because these were black, I put the chrome I put like the chrome brake reservoir caps on it just to sort of dress it up a bit. I put a Daymaker bullet headlight on it because I only had like a little one with a like standard thing. I put all Willie G axle nut covers, put all these little chrome stuff on it, you know, just I sort of dressed it up. I put all the bridge covers in it, you know, type thing. It already had, like, seriously, it had like matching pulleys to the matching wheels. It's got matching rotors to the wheels as well. Like, the guy that used to own this, man, he would have spent some coin on it, because I know how much, like, I just paid on my lowrider ST, man, for rotors and that. Bloody expensive, you know what I mean? I put a little pair of seat on it because I didn't like the solo seat, because I just kept feeling like I was getting chucked off the back. Put a Power Commander 6 in it. It got tuned by JMed SNR Pro, made 108 horsepower. Thrashing bag. Chrome buttons. With the black, I don't think it looked very good with the black. But the horn cover was already there. I'm thinking about changing that, but I think it gives it the old school look. Willie G derby cover. Like, I just added like the little extras, like axle nut covers and just like chrome bits that were black and were missing type thing, like half finished. Like, it's, like I said, I had most of the gear, but it was half finished. My mate Jason, my mate Locks at work, you know, they thought, yeah, this has got potential. That's why I got it. Can't sell it now. I was going to trade it in, but yeah, no, I just can't do it. It means too much to me. This bike's my first Harley, and I just think it's absolute grouse. I got my lowrider ST, done everything to that, so I think it's time now to revamp this bike. So what I'm sort of asking for, guys, is I'm reaching out some sort of ideas what I can do to it. I was thinking about changing the handlebars up. I sort of lined up a set of 14-inch high balls with a 1-inch rise, but I sort of went away from that because I've done the thrashing setup on my lowrider ST, and that's like phenomenal. I cannot fault that. That is absolutely comfort, you know, like the 9.5-inch rise with a mid-bend bar. So thinking about doing that to this one. I'm not exactly sure, but if you've got any ideas, guys, I'm all ears. It's got street slammers on there at the moment, but I wouldn't mind just a little bit taller, like, but just a little bit taller would be good. Suspension's a bit hard. I don't know, maybe it's got heavy duty progressive shocks in it, but I don't know. I want a bit of a softer ride because it's like really hard, but anyway. But what I was going to do to it is I've been hearing a lot about these Dyna wobble. Like when we went away on the Coffs Harbour trip, I was doing, yeah. Anyway, but the lowrider just, yeah, it's comfy. Yeah, no, it's mad. Like I couldn't picture. No, like I couldn't picture doing the $1.60 on this, to be honest, apparently. But there is a bit of wobble, but I've been hearing about it, it's Dyna wobble. Has anyone got any input on, I've seen these Predator engine mounts to fix a Dyna wobble, and I've seen these Spooth, I think they're Spooth, I'll put the name on the screen now, Spooth engine stabilizers. I think they sort of take away the Dyna wobble, because I think that what I've read is that, well, the motors are like rubber mounted and all that. That engine mount doesn't look the best, I suppose, but yeah, so I'm looking at doing like a Spooth engine mount or a what do you call it, like a Predator engine mount. So I'll fix all that up. Now I know I can get the Predator engine mounts from Farrow's Customs in Queensland. I might look into getting one of them, but yeah. I also want to change up my air cleaner. Like I know this is like old school the way it looks like, but I like to look at those Trask air cleaners, you know, the ones with the clear front on them. But everyone's telling me that you get heaps of blowback and all that sort of stuff, so I don't know about that. But anyway, if you've got any input what I can do to this, greatly appreciated. Maybe I just want to play with my toys. As my missus says, I'm always playing with my toys. So yeah, guys, that's my 2011 Dyna Street Bob. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I just want to change it up a bit. On a lighter note, guys, I've got all the shirts in stock at the moment. The hoodies are pre-sales, print on demand, but all the shirts, the Queen style, that's a print on demand. Long sleeves are print on demand, but I've got the King style, I've got the all-rounder, and I've got the paint font all in stock. So guys, hop on to harleydiaries.co, support the channel. I appreciate everyone of you. Massive shout out to all my new subscribers and the current that keep watching. Much love and respect. And to the new people that are here, welcome to Harley Diaries, and I really hope you like all my content. Make sure you check out all my other videos. I think that you like them as well. Any ideas, guys, you've got, please reach out. I'm all ears about the engine mounts, what type of handlebars I should do to it, or whether I should just leave the shit alone. But so you guys, I'll throw the camera on the front of the helmet, go for a bit of a burn, show you what this thing sounds like and what it rides like and all that. So I'm gonna cut this now, but then I'm gonna put this back in to after I finish the bike, and I'm gonna say goodbye to all you guys and all that sort of stuff. Appreciate the support, everything. So it sounds good, that stage 4A, it's mad. So yeah, alright, let's do it. Just real cranky, this fucking thing, eh? I'm just going for a little casual quick burn, I reckon. So I wouldn't mind the handlebars a bit higher, like there. Yeah. Oh, no, I was supposed to wanted that, but I think highballs would be like there. Maybe. I don't know. But I know everyone in everyone's starting to get pinched down in New South Wales for the highballs, but I don't know. I might still look at that option, but I doubt it. But that's like all the speedo and all that. I reckon that looks mad. As apart from like, so I sort of new schooled it up a bit anyway. My first Harley, my first baby, can't get rid of it, eh? Watch the poppers around here, eh? So no, it's still good. Nice. Out of Dyna. Yeah, I think I need those engine mounts, so I think it'll be a lot more rigid, I think. Well, let's see if there's coppers around here. This thing always fucking makes me smile when I ride it, eh? It's mad. It's the grouse. I was going to go down there. Oh, straight pegs. Scrape the pegs, man. Damn. Used to ride me low rider too much, I think. Pegs are higher up on that. Might even go for a ride and see me boys at work. Just a quick video, guys, just to show you what the Dyna's all about and how it sounds and rides and shit. So you just hear it. Yeah. Love those cams. Yeah, it sounds fucking unreal, eh? Like, just completely different ride to me lowrider ST, it really is, eh? It's mad. So that's what I'm thinking. But should I just leave it? Yeah, so the bars are here, I reckon, be better. Maybe if I got high balls, they'd be too high. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know, my feet position are real good and stuff. But the Trask air cleaner, I'd be like flatter there, and I won't have to worry about that there. You know, so. But I think the engine mount, you know, stop from doing these at about 120. Just be more rigid, I think. So it's not much of a video, guys. It's just a bit of a random vlog. But yeah. It's cruise. Yeah, like it's comfy, like it really is. Like comfy now, this position. Well, maybe I just need to get new tyres on it or something. I might put the bigger mirrors on there, the R&S ones, I think, because these are bloody hard to see out of A. But they look cool. So, safety first, isn't it? I wonder if the boys are on lunch. No, it mightn't be. Change that gearbox oil. It's a bit hard to get into fucking gear sometimes, man. That speedo looks mad, eh? Yeah, they're going around the front. Fucking dickhead, Mick. the back of Prospect, guys. Look what they're doing down there. Fuck me. I learned to drive in there fucking 30-something years ago. No, not really. I used to take my mum's car after school in year 7. No, sorry, mum. But that's where she taught me how to drive. Oh my God, he knows how to drive already. He must be fucking, yeah, he must be a quick learner. Sorry, mum. My sister wasn't a very good driver though. Were you, Nicole? Sorry, mate. Give them some encouragement to get them back on the road. They'll come back in the videos with me. Beautiful. I just want to change it up a bit. I made it with suspension, handlebars, air cleaner, engine mount. I think I'll be happy. Like I said, I can't sell it. It's got too much sentimental value to me, and I put too much time and effort and money into it. And it's my first Harley, and I love it. So yeah. Yeah, it's yeah. Yeah, no, there's no other words, but yeah. Anyway, guys. So guys, you got to tell him to get back on his bike. He's going to register his bike shortly, aren't you, Dan?
Yeah.
You're going to back on the channel?
Yeah.
Yep.
100%.
Is everyone asking for you, boy? Yeah. All right. Say goodbye.
Boy.
Where's Bill?
On break.
No, we'll tell him to come out and say hello real quick.
Message you.
No, you do it. Just
He's
say,
probably working out in the gym.
oh, is he? No, we're going to get Bill for me. All right, Dan. We'll see you on the channel soon, all right?
Okay.
See you, mate. So just at the boys' work, guys. So want you to rear them up and tell them to get their Harleys going again, and they can come ride and be back on the channel. Yeah, no, cool. And we'll go do Wing Boy out there at Penrith and eat nothing but spicy hot wings until one of us spews. That'll be excellent. I just said to Dan, he's got to get back on his bike, and so do you. And I want everyone to give you shit and say, hurry up and get back on your bike.
Fuck off.
Right, so when are you going to be back on your bike, Bill?
Fucking probably this weekend.
Yeah, very good. And then what are we going to do? I was telling everyone that we're going to go to Wing Boy and we're going to eat so many
spicy wings.
Yeah, spicy wings. We're going to eat so many until we fucking chuck up. Right?
Fuck
yeah, nice, eh, Bill? You reckon? Yeah.
I don't fucking know about that, mate, but we'll go to Wing Boy, that's for sure.
Yeah, mad. But they're going to get back on the Harleys, boys, and we're going to go for a ride, aren't we?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Beautiful. All right. Say goodbye.
Later,
yeah, we'll click back to that other part of the video where I said I'd see you later, but no worries, guys. All right, well, I hope you liked the video, guys, and yeah, I hope you liked the ride. I hope everything was cool, and yeah, love to hear your feedback, guys. I really would. What risers, what bars, air cleaners, engine mounts, what I should do to this, what I should change, what I should yeah, just any feedback. What do you think I can do to this 2011 Dyna? As your missus says, I like playing with my toys all the time, so yeah, I've done the lowrider ST up as far as I can, and I'll tell you what, that's an absolute gun bike. I wouldn't even sell that, you know what I mean? Like, the amount of work I've done to that lowrider, it's phenomenal. Make sure you check that on some of my other videos, my review on that one after a year, and what I've done to that is cracker. So yeah, guys, let me know what I can do to this, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. See you later, guys.